Welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare Galmyachi Kismoor. I've taken fresh baby shrimps here. Soak dried raw mango rinds in hot water. Next, heat coconut oil in a pan. Add your chopped onion, slitted green chili, and saute till onion turns light brown in color. Now add baby shrimps, that is washed and drained thoroughly, turmeric powder, salt, raw mango rinds, that is soaked and drained, freshly grated coconut, and mix well. Add some water so that it doesn't burn. Cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep mixing so that most of the moisture dries out.